Hello everyone. In this video, you will get to know how to choose a healthy diet. There are different tools you can use to balance and improve your diet. A healthy diet basically helps the body to maintain organ function and ensure its performance. Nutrient intake for the body can be obtained from various healthy foods. There are 3 known tools that can be used for choosing a healthy diet. These are standardized food labels, dietary guidelines, and My Pyramid. First is standardized food label. Food labels are a tool that is designed to help consumers make healthy food choices. They provide readily available information about the nutrient composition of individual foods and show how a serving of food fits into the recommendations for a healthy diet. Let's understand the food label. Standard nutrition facts labels like this one appear on all packaged foods. They provide information about the number of calories and the amounts of fat, carbohydrates, and other nutrients that are in each serving of the packaged food. They can help you tell at a glance how much of each nutrient a particular food adds to your nutrient requirements. Food labels must include both an ingredient list and a nutrition facts panel. The ingredient list is useful for those who need to avoid certain foods, such as animal products or food to which they have an allergy. The nutrition facts portion of a food label lists the serving size of the food, followed by the total calories, calories from fat, total fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrate, dietary fiber, sugars, and protein per serving of the food. In addition to the required nutrition information, food labels often highlight specific characteristics of a product that might be of interest to the consumer, such as whether it is low in calories or high in fiber. Second tool is dietary guidelines that include recommendations that are designed to help people choose a diet and lifestyle that will promote health and reduce chronic disease risks. The dietary guidelines recommend choosing a variety of nutrient-dense foods. These include vegetables, fruits, whole grains, low-fat, dairy products, lean meats, beans, nuts, and seeds. This type of diet is rich in fiber, micronutrients, and phytochemicals, and low in saturated and trans fats. The key recommendations of the dietary guidelines are: consume a variety of foods within and among the various food groups. Balance calorie intake with expenditure to manage body weight. But be physically active every day. Choose more fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products. Choose fats wisely. Choose and prepare foods with little salt. If you drink alcoholic beverages, do so in moderation. Prepare, handle, and store food safely. The third tool we can use is called My Pyramid. My Pyramid is a tool designed to help consumers choose foods that meet the recommendations of the dietary guidelines. Food Guide divides foods into 5 food groups: grains, vegetables, fruits, milk, and meat and beans, and oils based on the nutrients that they provide. The 5 food groups and oils are represented by the colored triangles that make up the pyramid. The shape of the pyramid helps emphasize the recommendations for the amounts of food from each of the 5 food groups. Foods in the wider triangle columns of My Pyramid contain the most nutrients per calorie, which is referred to as nutrient density. Those in the narrow triangular columns have lower nutrient density. You can also plan your pyramid by the website of My Pyramid, Gov. Summary: food provides the human body with energy in the form of calories and nutrients, which are substances required in the diet for growth, reproduction, and maintenance. The right number of calories is needed to keep weight in the healthy range, and the right combination of nutrients is needed to maintain health. There are 6 classes of nutrients. Carbohydrates include sugars, starches, and fibers. Sugars and starches provide energy, 4 calories per gram, while fibers provide little energy because they cannot be digested by human enzymes and therefore cannot be absorbed. Lipids are a concentrated source of calories in the diet, and in the body providing 9 calories per gram. They are also needed to synthesize molecules that help regulate body processes. Proteins are made from amino acids. They can provide energy for the body, but they are more important for their structural and regulatory roles. Water is the most abundant nutrient in the body. Water intake must equal output to maintain balance. Vitamins and minerals are needed in the diet in small amounts. They both have regulatory roles, while some minerals also provide structure. Consuming too much or too little energy or nutrients results in malnutrition. The Dietary Reference Intakes, DRIS, recommend the amounts of energy and nutrients that the body needs to promote health, prevent deficiencies, and reduce the incidence of chronic disease. Food labels, the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, and My Pyramid provide information and recommendations that help people choose foods that make up a healthy diet. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe the channel to get the latest updates.